Welcome to the Web Active Directory PeopleUpdate Search Console demonstration. This demonstration shows a human resources user view of PeopleUpdate, including how to use PeopleUpdate to update user information and group information in Active Directory. As we can see on the PeopleUpdate homepage, the human resources user has several different activities available for them. They're able to search like a phone book for Active Directory users. They can also look at the My Info for the user information for the demo HR user. In addition, there's a Groups I Manage tab, which is not available to regular end users in our organization. Let's go ahead and do a search for a user named Steve Burton. So we search for Steve. We see a set of matching results, including information about each user, and the information here is sortable, as well as you can export it to Excel. We'll go ahead and drill down to Steve. On Steve, we see detailed information about him, including where he sits in the organization, his photograph, and other information about this user. In addition, since I'm an HR user, I have the ability to come down here and perform some actions on Steve, the most important of which is to edit Steve. So when I go to the edit page for Steve Burton's account, I can see that I can edit everything from work phone to mobile phone to job title to even changing his manager and his division, department, etc., as well as group membership. This is a lot of capability that has been designated to me as an HR user, and this allows you to delegate Active Directory data administration out of information technology and into your business units in the organization. When I make a change to something in Steve's profile, for example, Steve's phone number, I can go ahead and update it. This update works directly against Active Directory, and you can see that it does update his information. I'm able to update every user in my directory in the same way because that has been delegated to me as a security aspect by my PeopleUpdate administrator. Now let's move on to the My Info view. The My Info view works the same for all users. It first of all shows my account, and it shows information about me. It also gives me the ability to edit and manage my account. When I go to edit, I can edit my account in the same way that any user can edit his or her account. So this is the same experience for every user in your organization. When I click off of me to another user, notice that at the bottom I only have the org and vCard options. I do not have the options to do the HR stuff that I was looking at a minute ago, or the editing, I should say, editing and managing. Finally, let's look at a capability for this demonstration that's not available to all end users and that has been delegated, in this case, to human resources users. The Groups I Manage tab automatically shows me groups that I am designated as a manager for. I can see the summary information here about each group, including the members of the group and some other information. Let's go to the delegated group 2 and let's add a user. Notice I have an edit capability. I can now go and look up a user. Let's add Steve Burton. There's our pop-up window. We'll look for Steve. And there's Steve. We'll select Steve. And this will add Steve to our membership list. Then we can merely update the list, and Steve is in our group now. You can also remove members using the same type of activity. This is a powerful group management delegation activity that allows you to get group management into the arms of the managers who own each group.